Art, thank you so much for sitting down with me today to talk about our partnership between Lenovo and SAP, as well as the innovations that Lenovo is seeing today. I wanted to start by talking about your investment in smart factories. Can you share a little bit more details around that?
The more we can make our factories smart, the better we're able to meet customer requirements by delivering on time and by offering hyper flexibility and balancing that with efficiency. So that opens up new paradigms about how we can serve more people with more varied solutions better. One of the things that we're working with SAP is procurement. And there we've deployed the Ariba solution. And that's been very helpful for us to get a much better handle and insight onto how we buy, why we buy. Broadly for the company, two of our most important transformations are centered around SAP technology. The first one is S/4HANA at our core. The second part is going to be around this major shift as a company for Lenovo to pivot towards as a service. Those capabilities end-to-end require new technology.
I know sustainability is also very important to Lenovo. And so how do you see that impact your supply chain as you're going through this transformation?
Let's take, for example, our TrueScale infrastructure as a service. Instead of having sustainability be an afterthought, we're now able to directly build into the product, build into the offering, sustainability as a consideration and as an explicit piece of value that we can deliver to customers.
Thank you so much for taking the time to sit down with me, share your insights into the innovations that we're seeing with Lenovo.